Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to drive a Ferrari California. First, ensure your key is in the ignition. Then, press the vibrant red engine start button located on the steering wheel. Listen to that magnificent engine roar to life. It's crucial to let the engine warm up for at least a few minutes, especially if it's a cold start. This ensures optimal fluid circulation and prepares the powerful V8 engine for a smooth and exhilarating drive. Get ready for an incredible experience. Now, let's talk about driving modes and the transmission. On the steering wheel, you'll find the iconic Manettino switch. This allows you to select various driving modes, from comfort for everyday cruising to sport for a more dynamic feel. The Ferrari California boasts a sophisticated 7-speed dual-clutch transmission, offering lightning-fast gear changes. For an even more engaging experience, utilize the large, ergonomic paddle shifters behind the steering wheel to manually select your gears. The Ferrari California is a true performance machine. It can reach a top speed exceeding 190 miles per hour and accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 4 seconds. When driving, remember to be smooth with your inputs. Gentle steering and progressive braking are key to harnessing its power and maintaining control. This car is designed for precision, so enjoy its incredible responsiveness and balanced handling on the open road. Finally, let's cover parking and shutting down your Ferrari California. Once you've brought the car to a complete stop, firmly engage the electronic parking brake. Then, simply turn the ignition key to the off position to power down the engine. Before exiting, double-check that all lights, including the headlights and interior lights, are off, and that any accessories are disconnected. This ensures the battery remains healthy and your beautiful Ferrari is ready for its next adventure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.